When people talk about calculus, they use some very different and complex language, such as differentials and integrals. But when put into simple language, it is the mathematics for change. Calculus is about finding the relationship between two variables and about how one changes with respect to another, which is very useful for analyzing scientific data or simply having some fun with complex mathematics. Calculus can be categorized into two main topics, differentiation and integration. Differentiation is the process of finding how a variable's rate of change is affected by the change of another. Graphically speaking, it is a way of finding the gradient of a point on the curve precisely. This method is 100% accurate because it is a mathematical calculation instead of a graphical interpretation such as drawing a tangent line. Integration, on the other hand, is the inverse of differentiation. By using the differentiated equation, we can recreate the original relationship between the two variables. Graphically, this process finds the area bound between the curve and the horizontal axes, given two limits. For starters, let's learn about how the language of calculus works. Starting with a mathematical function, f(x). If we apply the rules of differentiation, the function produced will be differentiated, denoted by f(x), and is called the differential of f(x). Similarly, if we apply the rules of integration to the differential f(x), we get fx, but with a small twist. Some information is lost, so we get a general equation of fx. To completely restore fx, we need some information about the relationship, known as initial conditions. In this case, the general fx is called the general solution of the differential equation f(x), where fx is the particular solution of f(x). Also, fx and general fx are both an integral of f(x), since they both differentiate into f(x). Now that you've understood the basic language of calculus, we're set to actually learn about calculus, starting with differentiation. Today you've learned that calculus is the mathematical study of change, which consists of differentiation and integration. You also learned to speak the language of calculus.